What what going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASAR Studio. Today I'll be showing you how to create black and white portrait, amazing black and white portrait. But before that, there are various things you need to put in mind. First of all, you need to select the perfect photo or the perfect lighting for it. Don't select image that are overexposed. And unlike the one we have on the screen, we have average white area and average dark area. It's just balance. We have the brighter side and the darker side, and when we convert this image to black and white, it's actually going to look nice, unlike the one you have all the body and all the places exposed to light. You won't actually get the real black and white we're talking about. All right, so let's get started. The first thing first, let's add a black and white adjustment layer that we actually convert it to black and white, and there we go. So this is what I'm talking about. Now if you take a look, assuming the image is overexposed or exposed to light, like I was saying, you won't have any darker parts to work with. But since we have dark parts right below the head, we could have an amazing image, final image. So now these are the things to look out for. Let's turn it off. When you turn it off, take a look at the below parts and the upper parts. Now we know that the air is actually bright and the down part is dark. So I want more darker color on the forehead to create more depth and tension or contrast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust the red. So let's turn it back on. And I'm going to start with the yellow and bring it all the way down. You can see how it added depth to the image, and I'm also going to reduce the green, and I'm going to take up the cyan, and you can see what it's adding to the image. Now if you take up the cyan, it's just because I want more brighter side highlights on the clothes. So when I'm actually using the curve tool, you're going to know it's putting on a dress instead of bringing everything down, and then you won't actually get the details there. I don't want to lose details, so I want more details from that side, and I'm going to bring this one down a little bit and take this up again. So for the face, I'm going to reduce the yellow, and it's affecting the dark parts. I'm also going to bring down the red and take a look at how it's affecting the face, the way the red is affecting the face. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at just about there. I guess that's too dark, so somewhere like, let's say 4 is okay. I'm going to close it and add a curve, a layer. Now for the curve layer is to make things, add some what's it called, we add yeah, contrast. I was looking for the word contrast, now to add some contrast. But take a look at the curve and you're going to see that we have less details here, and when we increase this, it becomes more brighter. So but that's nothing to worry about. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to double click, and I'll remove it from the darker side. Hold down Alt and separate, and just make it uniform and smooth, something like that. Now don't take it all the way down, just take it somewhere around here. We're going to reduce the opacity anyway, so bring down the hue and not the opacity, so just around there. And let's add one more curves layer, and this one will be for contrast again. So create an X curve up and down to something like this. Now it's too bright, so let's take it out from the brighter side. So I'll take it to the left, and let's use the upper layer and have a uniform one just like that, and take it back from the brighter side like this. Okay, so and it's okay on the keyboard if you are okay with it, and there we go. So this is what it added to the image, and for this it added this. So you can see the difference. The first curve added more highlight and makes the image look 3D, added depth to it, and the other one just added a smooth transition between the black and the light one. So I'm going to group everything together and then compare the before and after. Before and after. I'm going to zoom in and take it all the way down like this, and this is our before, and then this is our after. All right, so compared to just using the black and white, just the normal black and white. Take it below and look at how the normal black and white looks, and look at the final black and white compared to this one. You can see what I'm talking about. All right, so thank you guys for watching. See you in our next channel video, and if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.